Question number 1 is, which of the following is a biodegradable substance? Paper, option number C. Biodegradable substances, they decompose naturally by the microorganism. So out of given option, paper is only biodegradable. Next is, in a food chain, the flow of energy is always unidirectional. Sun is the ultimate source of energy and its energy flow in one direction, so it is unidirectional. Next is, largest amount of energy in a food chain is found in, so it is found in the producers, option number B. So energy flows from sun into the producers, that is plants. From there it passes herbivores, from herbivores to primary, secondary and tertiary carnivores. So option number B, produces has maximum amount of energy. Next is, which among the following is not an example of primary consumer? So tiger is not a primary consumer. Primary consumer are herbivores because they consume the producers, that means plants. Next is, the ozone layer is important because ozone, it is O3, and it is important because it absorbs the ultraviolet rays from the sunlight, so protect us from the harmful effects of UV rays, ultraviolet rays. So option number C is correct one, that is ozone protect us from UV rays. Next is, the correct sequence of a food chain is, so option number A, grass, which is eaten by insect are eaten by frog by snake, and snake by eagle. So it is example of a food chain. Next is, which of the following activity does not cause ozone layer depletion? So out of given options, deforestation does not cause any effect on ozone. Chlorofluorocarbon, they are the main component or substances which causes depletion of ozone layer. Next is, which of the following is not an abiotic component of an ecosystem? Ecosystem has two main components. One is biotic, which involves living organism, whereas the other is abiotic, which involves non-living components. So abiotic component are sunlight, water, air. Fungi is a biotic component, living organism. So option number C is the right answer. Next is, the 10% law of energy transfer was given by. Now first of all, what is 10% law of energy transfer? Sun is the ultimate source of energy, and the energy from sun is first absorbed by plant, then only 10% of energy is passed to the next level in the food chain. This is called 10% law of energy. It was given by Lindemann, option number C. Next is, an example of biological magnification is, so it is option number B, accumulation of pesticide in a food chain. Biological magnification refers to the increase in harmful substances like pesticide, DDT or mercury at higher trophic level in a food chain. The term ecosystem was coined by, it was given by A.G. Tinsley. Option number B is right one. Next is, which of the following is a natural decomposer? So earthworm out of the given option is a natural decomposer. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect? So carbon dioxide, it is responsible for the greenhouse effect, which further results in global warming. Which ecosystem has the highest biodiversity? So it is rainforest, option number C. Rainforests have the highest biodiversity due to the warm temperature, high rainfall and dense vegetation. Next is, deforestation leads to, it can lead to soil erosion, increased CO2 level, as well as loss of biodiversity. So option number D is correct answer of this question. Next is the term CFC stands for. So it stands for chlorofluorocarbon. Option number A, chlorofluorocarbons. Next is which of the following pollutant is considered an ODS? What is ODS? Ozone depleting substances. So CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, destroy the stratospheric ozone layer. What does it mean? That ozone is found in the stratosphere layer. This is also important. Next is the greenhouse effect causes global warming. Option number B is correct one. Which of the following is an example of detrivore? So what are detrivore? The organism which consume dead organic matter are known as detrivore. Out of the given option, option number C is a detrivore. Next is what is the main function of decomposers in an ecosystem? Break down dead organic matter or dead organism. Option number C is correct one. Which of the following is an example of a primary consumer? So cow is an example of primary consumer as it eats upon the herbivores, means plants. Sorry, I meant to say produces. Next is the concept of the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle is related to the waste management. Option number B is correct one. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? So out of the given carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, they all aids to the greenhouse gases, whereas nitrogen, option number B, it has not too much to do with the global warming. Next is the full form of BODs, biological oxygen demand. Biological oxygen demand. It is the amount of oxygen which is needed by microorganism to decompose the organic matter in water. Which of the following is an example of secondary consumer? So snake can act as a secondary consumer. What is the full form of PCB in environmental science? It is polychlorinated biphenyls. Option number A, polychlorinated biphenyls. Next is the primary source of energy for the life on earth is, it also means the ultimate source of light is sun. Option number C, correct one. Which of the following food chain is correct? So grass is eaten by goat, goat is eaten by tiger. So option number is correct one. The full form of UNEP, it is United Nations Environment Program. Option number A. Last is the process of converting biodegradable waste into manure is called, it is called composting. Option number B.